We'll guide you through how to fix screen mirroring not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you want to go and get your iPhone screen and content onto the other device, probably a TV. So first of all, come to the top right of the iPhone and drag down on the battery. Go to the top left and find the airplane icon. Tap that there to go and turn it on just for a few seconds. Tap it again to go and turn it off. It will then go and refresh and reconnect. Now go and try screen mirroring. Sometimes something like that is simple will go and solve it. Next, you want to just go and ensure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. So you can open up settings on your iPhone and see I'm connected to GR. So it also needs to be connected to GR on the TV or the device that you're trying to go and mirror to. Make sure you are. If that still isn't working, do just ensure that AirPlay is turned on the device you're trying to go and do this with. On my TV, I'll need to go into the settings and make sure that we go and have it enabled. After you've checked that, and if it wasn't already enabled, try mirroring again. Now, if it still isn't working, what we should try doing is a forced restart. So on the iPhone, press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button like so. Now you want to go and keep that held down like this. Shortly, the screen's going to go black. And you're only going to go and release when you go and see the Apple icon. Now. So it's now coming on again, as you can see. Now, just in the meantime, it's worth turning off the TV. You can then go and unplug it from the wall outlet and wait 30 seconds before plugging it back in. After those 30 seconds have passed, plug it back in and turn it back on, and hopefully now your iPhone will be back on as well. Sometimes just doing this will just go and refresh things. So now what you can do is try screen mirroring, and hopefully now it's working. If it still isn't, on the iPhone, open the settings, scroll down to general, come down to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. You can go down and press reset, and you can go and press reset network settings. That's it. Enter in the passcode, and then after you've done the reset, hopefully now you'll be able to screen mirror.